Hey everyone, welcome back to the Speak and Rise podcast.
What's up, guys? So happy you're here with us again.
For those who are new, I'm Jessica,
And I'm Mark.
and we're really excited to bring you another fun, practical, and helpful English lesson today.
Yes, we are here. Today, we've got a super exciting and actually really useful topic for you, especially if you love traveling or you're planning a trip soon. We're diving into all the real-life English you need at the airport.
Oh my gosh, I love this topic, Mark. Airports can be so stressful and confusing sometimes, right? But once you know the right phrases, it feels way easier, like you actually know what you're doing.
Exactly. Before we jump into our airport adventure, do us a quick favor. Smash that like button, share this with your friends who are traveling soon, and if you haven't already, subscribe to the Speak and Rise podcast channel and hit the notification bell. It really helps us keep making these videos. All right, Jessica, you ready to fly into this topic?
Ready when you are, Mark. Let's do it.
Okay, imagine you just arrived at a huge airport. Maybe you took a taxi or a bus. What's the first thing you usually need to do?
Good question. Honestly, the first thing is figuring out which terminal you need. Some airports are massive with like 5 terminals, so I usually end up asking for directions.
Yeah, that's super important. How would you ask in English?
I'd probably say something like, "Excuse me, where's Terminal 2?" Or, "Hey, can you tell me how to get to Terminal 3?" Simple and clear.
Perfect. And if you're not sure about the terminal number, you can say, "Excuse me, where's the departure area for international flights?"
Oh, that's a good one. Because domestic is inside the country and international is to other countries, right? Saves you from walking in circles like I did once in Madrid.
So you found the right terminal. Now it's time to check in. What do you say to the person at the counter?
I usually go with, "Hi, I'm checking in for my flight to London. My name's Jessica Joseph." Or, "Good morning, I'm checking in for flight AA026 to New York."
Nice. They'll probably ask for your passport. Can I see your passport, please? Then comes the luggage question. Any checked bags today?
Yeah, and if you want a good seat, don't be shy. Say, "Can I have a window seat, please?" I always ask for window. I love watching the takeoff. Or, if you prefer, "Can I get an aisle seat?"
Speaking of bags, what if your suitcase is a monster? You should ask, what's the weight limit for checked bags? Because trust me, paying extra fees hurts.
So true. And for your carry-on, you can ask, "Is this bag okay as a carry-on?" Also, don't forget about liquids. Are there any restrictions on liquids in my carry-on?
Next up, airport security. This part always feels a bit intense.
It does, but it's quick if you're prepared. They'll say things like, "Please take off your shoes and belt," or "Put your laptop in a separate bin."
And the classic, do you have any liquids or electronics? Just answer honestly and smile. Smiling actually makes it smoother, I swear.
Yeah, and if the metal detector beeps, don't panic. They'll just say, "Please step back," or "Empty your pockets." It happens to everyone.
Security done. Now you gotta find your gate.
First, check your boarding pass for the gate number. Then look for the signs. But if you're lost, just ask, "Excuse me, where's gate 34?" People are usually really helpful.
And always check the big screens. Gates can change suddenly. I once almost went to the wrong gate in Dubai and almost missed my flight. Lesson learned.
Once you're at the gate, you've got some time to kill. What do you usually do?
I find a seat, put my headphones on, maybe grab a coffee. Sometimes I chat with other passengers. Like, "Hey, are you also going to New York?" It's a nice way to practice English.
And when you hear, "Flight AA026 is now boarding," that's your cue. Time to get excited.
After immigration, you board the plane. Show your boarding pass again. Then find your seat. "Excuse me, where's seat 23A?" Once you're seated, put your bag in the overhead compartment and relax.
During the flight, if you need anything, Talk to the flight attendant. Can I have some water, please? Or, may I have a blanket? Super easy.
And if you're not feeling well, just tell them. They're there to help.
Finally, you land. Time to get your bags. Follow the signs for baggage claim. Find your carousel number on the screen.
Pro tip, put a bright ribbon or something unique on your suitcase. All black bags look the same.
And if your bag doesn't show up, go to the baggage services desk and say, I can't find my luggage. Keep your baggage tag. It has the number they need.
Wow, we covered everything today, from arriving at the airport to picking up your bags.
I really hope this helps you feel way more confident when you travel. Learning these little phrases makes such a big difference.
Absolutely. Practice them out loud. Your next airport experience is going to be so much smoother. That's it for today's episode of Speak and Rise podcast. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Tell us in the comments, what's your favorite part about traveling? Or what's your funniest or most stressful airport story? We read every comment. See you next time. Keep practicing your English and happy travels.
Bye everyone. Safe flights.